everyone. Welcome back to another keto mukbang. Tonight I am having a mushroom Swiss bacon wrapped chicken and green beans. Welcome everybody. Great to see all of you. I'm back, like I said, doing another mukbang, and this one was a pretty easy one to do because I bought this pre-made. It was on sale at our Cub Foods. It is mushroom and Swiss bacon wrapped stuffed chicken breast. Isn't that awesome? Already prepared for you, and you cook it at 400 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes. And it is to eat the whole thing. Now remember, I do 1 meal a day. Right now I'm doing 1 meal a day. So it's okay for me to eat this whole thing. It is going to be, to eat the entire thing, it's 600 calories and only 2 carbs. 2 carbs for that. It's just amazing. But yeah, because I'm doing 1 meal right now, I'm going to try to get it all in 1 meal. You could, most certainly can have this. I'm just saying that this would be a higher fat. If you ate the whole thing, it'd be 600 calories. So if you're doing 1 meal, that's fine. And then I'm just doing green beans here, and I've done a tablespoon of butter on it. So the green beans with it is going to be a total of 5 net carbs here. So let's dig in. I'm hungry. How is everyone doing, and what are you guys having tonight for dinner? Sorry if I look bad. No makeup or nothing today, but I wanted to share this mukbang with you. Just drinking water. All right. Let's cut right into the middle of this so I can show you guys what it looks like. Now, you can make something like this homemade. You can stuff chicken. I'm sure you guys have done that before. You can stuff chicken like that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Yummy. I wanted to do this one day, wrap a chicken breast or whatever and stuff it and try it out, but I ended up not getting into that quite yet. But I'm going to do that because I've been always wanting to try it. So let's see how this tastes. Make sure everything's cooked all the way through. I always worry about that. Yum. All the flavors there are delicious. I didn't have to do anything to it. Like I said, it came already prepared. That's the brand right there. I'll take a photo and put it in here too in the video. But of course I didn't make a video on this because it's already pre-made. Quick, easy, fast meal for you. I know some of you that are doing 1 meal a day, this would be great for you. So, wow, this is delicious. Yum. So good. What's a protein? Wow. Sorry. Perfect protein for me too because it's 34 for a half a piece. I'm eating the whole thing, so that will be 68, and I eat around 70 grams a day for my weight. So it's perfect. Perfect amount of protein to get in. See? That's what you got to do. Find things that are high, in the protein level if you're doing 1 meal to get all your protein in. This one here is a perfect one. Super tender, super delicious. Yum. Some of the bacon on the bottom here doesn't get as crispy. You could turn it over. I didn't do that. I probably should have. But that's what happens when you cook bacon in the oven. So, yum. Oh my gosh, that's so good. So we got snow here. Knew it was going to be any time that we'd get the snow. Minnesota's known for all our snow. sure is pretty though. I know there's people that live in other states that say, oh, I wish I lived in a state with snow. But when you live in a state with snow and you've had that your whole entire life, yeah, it can get monotonous. You know, I love it during the holidays. It's so beautiful. But after that, it can go. Too cold for me. I'm just going to eat around that fat here because I don't like rubbery bacon. I know some of you really like it like that, but I just don't. I think it's the texture that freaks me out. I don't know. But this is good. Really good. The bacon on top here was cooked great. It's funny when you do 1 meal a day how quick you get full too. I'm already filling up. Oh. So yummy. I love green beans too. These are the frozen green beans. I always do the frozen ones. Less salt, guys. Much better to do the frozen ones. There's going to be a lot left over here because I'm already getting full. But whenever I do that, 1 meal, if I can't get all of it in, first off, remember, if you're trying to lose weight, you don't have to worry about how many calories you get in as far as being too low. You want to keep it low when you're trying to lose. But one night isn't going to hurt to go lower, you know, like that if I can't finish it all, if I get full. But I do try to keep within like a 2-hour window when I open my window to eat. So if I'm hungry in about an hour, I'll finish this. If not, then I don't eat anymore until the next day. But yeah, this was a big piece of chicken, so it's like really filling me up. Not a, you know, mukbang where I'm showing a recipe and stuff like that, but this is a way to show you guys quick and easy meals to make, you know, something easy. Come home and pop it in, and in an hour you got dinner. And if you are not doing 1 meal a day or whatever, you can split this and, you know, have half for dinner, half for lunch or whatever. Bring some to work the next day, however you want to do it. That chicken's really tender. I'm just getting so full. It's just weird how fast your body fills up when you're doing 1 meal. But I'm not worried because, I mean, I do get enough in. Like I said, I'm just trying to lose a little bit right now, but it's not going to hurt me one night to go a little bit less. I'd rather not force myself to eat all of it. That's why I could never do 1 meal a day in maintenance mode, because I would never get enough calories. I would just keep losing weight. So I got to do it, you know, during the time I'm losing weight. That's fine, because then you can go down, but not always for me, because I don't eat enough food. I can't get enough in. Never can get enough calories in one sitting for me. I gotta do it throughout the day. So, but just with that and then counting the butter and everything, that would be plenty of calories for me. It's just I can't finish it all right now. But that's okay, because there's not, I mean, that's all that's left for the chicken there. And the rest is bacon, and I don't like it really rubbery, so I'm just kind of not eating a lot of the bacon or whatever. But I'll find something to put with this for, you know, in the next hour or so, just to give me a little bit more fat So I'll be all right. But I don't even have to. I can go tonight without anything. Wouldn't hurt. So that was really good. Absolutely delicious. Sorry, like I said, that I'm not finishing it up. But like I said, it's rubbery bacon, and I don't like it like that. I should have flipped it over or whatever. I don't like rubbery bacon. A lot of you I know will eat it like that and like it. I just don't myself. So just to get a little bit more fat, I'll add in something later to have that. But basically, I ate everything as far as the chicken. That's all that's left for the chicken. So the rest of it was the bacon. There was a lot of bacon on that. That's why it was so high in fat. So I'll just sneak something in the next hour or whatever, just a little bit more fat. But this was delicious. Great meal. You can do this during, you don't even have to be doing one meal. You guys could definitely have eaten this. So it is a higher fat. So remember that, definitely a higher fat. If you want, you can make your own at-home chicken breast and wrap it with turkey bacon. That would be a lot lower fat. So I would suggest doing that, and then don't add the cheese and stuff that it's, this one was stuffed with cheese and stuff like that. Don't add any of that. So if you want to keep it lower fat because you're losing weight, then just do it the way I said. Otherwise, if you're doing one meal like I am and you got to get at least so many calories in for the day, I mean, you only have to have whatever. But yeah, don't worry about it then. Then you can actually eat this, and enjoy it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. Again, I'm sorry I didn't finish it all, but it basically, like I said, is just some bacon. They had a lot of bacon wrapped around that sucker, and it was just the texture I don't like. So anyways, sorry if this video was kind of short, but wanted to share it with you guys. You guys take care. God bless, and I'll see all of you in my very next video. Oh, and I keep forgetting to do this. Always remember to keep it keto.